All right, hey, how's it going? My name is Eric and welcome to my channel. Today I am just simply showing you how I, number one, find trades. Number two, how I set up my indicators. And number three, I'll show you the final result. I'll show you all the trades that I would consider. It's Friday, February 28th, so all the trades are stocks that I would consider for Monday coming up. So let's get to it, and it's with TradingView. This is the free version, so this is there's no cost. This is all free information. So let's get with it, and just to get this out of the way, none of this is financial advice, all for educational purposes. So let's get going. We're in TradingView, and if you click on TradingView, this is the page that will pop up. We're going to go to products here, and usually you would click down, and it would click on. You would click this; it hovers over it. And you'll click on Supercharts. Supercharts will look like this. I'm already confusing you. This was looking at this yesterday, CXF. It looks like it's a little up, little down. But you want to know how I get this set up. So I'm just going to click out of it real quick. And then I'll give you a quick. So your chart would look like this. You would just simply click on indicators, and you would click on SMA 9/50/180, and you'll end up with this. This will be the top one here by M. Phillips. I'm just going to click on that one, and we get this. Shorten it up for you. Here we go. And I like to make changes. I think these are too many lines, so then I just simply go to settings, style, and click buy sell chart line, and we're out of there. And so already we got a nice setup. We got buy sell indicators. And we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 moving average lines. We got 3 SMA ones. White is 180, blue would be the 50, and red is the 9. And on EMA, the yellow is that one. And so we also will I'll put a subchart in there, and I like the MACD. You can use what you want. Some people like the Stoch RSI, and sometimes I'll use that as well, but I like this, so I'm going with MACD. Here we go. And so we got our setup. Doesn't take that long. If I wasn't talking to you, this would have been completed, or this would already popped up, so I would have already been done with this. And then so we do have to go to another page to show you the screener here. So give me a second here. We'll go back here, and then we'll go to screeners and then stocks. Here's the screener, the free screener. Just to let you know, on the free screener, you can only search stocks trading on the daily, the weekly, or the monthly. Anything underneath that, like 4 hour, or for instance, if you're a day trader that trades by the 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, or minute, or something like that, you're going to have to pay for the screener. So I simply click on this. I go to market data, average volume, and I like 30 days, add filter. Then I'll click on average volume again and click manual setup, and we'll go down here and I'll put in 1 million. and hit apply. And we're down to 2200. I need more filters, so I'll type in MACD or MACD, and I'll click and add that one. I don't make any changes here. I leave it to 1 day and click Add Filter. And then I'll select Level Crosses Up Signal down to 92. Sorry. And so then I'll type in SMA, so for simple moving average, and I will select 200, and I'll click Add Filter. And you saw on my chart I had 180, 180, 200, not that big of a difference, so I don't make changes, and I just hit below price. We're down to 43. I like to look at less than 43, so I'll click on another simple moving average and click on 9 and Add Filter. We still gotta make changes, so I'll click on here and I'll do below price 0 to 10%. And we're down to 32. Big day, big comeback day. It's February 28, 2025, so it previously been going down a little bit, kind of made a comeback, so we may have to weed through more stocks here. Go to manual setup, and instead of 0 to 10%, I'm going to put 0 to 3%, see if that gets me, got me 17, so wow. So we got a lot of stocks, and when it does it on this day, something like this, I will check by growth over here. It's it's diluted growth percentage, and I would so now I've really got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if this ever happens, I just go for the stocks that have been doing well over a period of time, and that would be these right here. We got International Paper, WELL, PFLT, Sherwin-Williams, and let's see which other one we got. I'm getting off base here. ADP, KMI, and Ameren. Sorry for the pause, but Sherwin-Williams, I just saw something somewhere, someone mentioning Sherwin-Williams. We'll click on it. Has this been doing well? So this is consolidating. Sherwin-Williams, I would seriously consider looking at, because there was an annual, just because I read something somewhere, there was an annualist rating. I usually don't go off of what I say on the internet, but that was from an annualist rating, so there may be a lot of interest in this stock, since it was in like a major, I forget which one it was, like the Wall Street or one of the business ones, a real news source, not one of those, whatevers. So that's it. I would go through these top ones, these ones that are showing growth. I could go through the other ones since it is the weekend. I could check through all these very easily. It's 17. So it's not going to take too long. You just click on, here's the top one. Supposedly this one, this one's nice. It's going down. Add a high here. You can check the ruler. I always check the high, which was here. It did go down. It was down 13%. Here would have been 8%. That's still very interesting. I wouldn't get in on this one because I like, and I'll make it bigger for you, I like this I would want this candle above this red line above the SMA. I want a full candle that like this one here. Hopefully you can see that. That would be an entry for me, maybe. The MACD should tell us otherwise, so I wouldn't have done it. But since the red, actually this is becoming a good setup. I don't know. There we go. Okay, we're above the 180, and this is starting to set up. It's giving us a good probability because we got the 9, and under that is the 20, under that is the 50. So, you know, not financial advice, but this is looking to be a good setup here on IP. So other than that, I will let you go. Thanks for watching my video. If you found any of this useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.